huge plastic mouth. Should have been there. Silver ones, bronze ones, blues ones, orange ones. He came out on top, #1. My 8th best cat. Black and white bicolor, beautiful cat. Beautifully presented. Bicolor 86, 7th best cat. My 6th best cat. What? What's your problem? You want to be sick? Look at the ears on that cat. Just a beautiful example. Look how she holds that leg up. It's a beautiful example of Cornish Record. She's my 6th best cat. Beautiful Siamese, 113. We only had a couple of Siamese today at the show. We had a couple in premiership. Kit, a nice kit. Beautiful, long, lengthy body. Beautiful eye shape on the Siamese. We don't want a big round eye with an oriental eye. Beautiful markings. Fantastic wedge, no pinch in the muzzle. Outstanding example. You are 5th best cat. Sometimes you have to make sure you got the right number of cats up there. I see there's 9 cats out, and they're going through here, and all of a sudden something's wrong. There's only 9 cats. I'll tell you a funny story real quick. Years and years ago, that happened to a judge that I won't mention her name. They were doing kittens. There was a woman campaigning a Burmese kitten, and she was really high up. And this judge didn't use her kitten. And when she called one of the kittens up to the final, he had started doing his final. And one of them never showed up. So what this judge did was he picked another kitten out, not hers, another kitten out. He was up to like 3rd best kitten. And he called a kitten out of the, just picked one out and he brought it up and put it down. He made that one 3rd best. That woman who showed that Burmese kitten ran for the telephone man. She called the head of the judge. Oh, we can tell you some wild stories. What do you got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Some beautiful example of the Oriental Shorthair. We didn't have that many Oriental Shorthairs this show this weekend. This is a beautiful girl, beautiful female. She's a long body, beautiful bony. She's my 4th best cat. My 3rd best cat is number 105, a beautiful Japanese bobtail. Beautiful ears, known as cat's an odd eye. Beautiful Japanese bobtail. 3rd best cat. My 2nd best cat, this guy right here. This is a beautiful example of Russian blue. He's got a phenomenal coat. Beautiful, beautiful eye collar. Beautiful bony, just a lovely example of the Russian blue breed. We had a huge Russian blue class. He came out right on top. He was our best Russian blue and today. He's my 2nd best cat.
Ring 4 is proud to announce their all-breed premiership finals. This will be done in 2 parts. For the first part, congratulations to breeders, owners, and exhibitors of the following cats. 124.
Halloween,
131,
what do you think? That goes good,
140, and 149 to ring 4 for the all-breed premiership final.
Beautiful black exotic short hair, a fabulous coat, top head, balanced, beautiful eye collar, round head, round as round can be, beautiful bony. This guy is phenomenal. He is a real pleasure to him. Drop your top. So watch what he can. I'll just show you one thing real quick. Watch what he can do. Isn't that amazing? Best in show here. Roll over. Thanks a lot. Good luck at the other rings. Good luck tomorrow. Goodbye.